Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I picked up the new Jackie Aina palette, a collab palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I created this look today using the palette. And so if you'd like to see how I made this look and come and chit chat and hang out with your girl, then just keep watching. I was in Ulta and I spotted the Jackie Aina palette from her collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And can I just tell you right now, this packaging right here is gorgeous, yes, but wait till you see the inside. I could not believe it myself. It is just so gorgeous. It has like a rainbow iridescent kind of effect. I hope you guys can see it, but if you can't, I'm sure you probably can see it in store now. I think it just, the girls at the sales associate and the makeup artist at Ulta were telling me like it just pretty much dropped in the store. I thought it was in store because I've seen so much online, but apparently they just got it in store when I went in tonight. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous, guys. So once you get it open, it's even more iridescent in real, once you get it out of the box. The box is iridescent, but oh my god, this is like iridescence like you have never seen before. It feels like almost like a faux, reptilian effect. So oh my god, it does have the like, alligator embossed. This is stunning. This is more absolutely 100% more gorgeous than I was anticipating from what I had seen online. It feels very luxurious in your hand because it does feel like, it almost feels like a leather, but of course it's faux. So it's gorgeous. This is a palette that you would want to put on display in your beauty room and whatnot, in your vanity. It's freaking gorgeous. I love her logo, Jackie's logo. So oh my god, this is so gorgeous, guys. So when I saw this in store and I opened the box, I was like, oh my god, the colors, the shimmers, the glitters, the whatever they are, the pressed pigments are so gorgeous in real life. I don't think with my lighting being so bright, you're going to be able to see the true effect of how gorgeous they are. This color, Trust Issues, I am such a sucker for like a color that I've never seen before. So there are definitely, I feel like Trust Issues I've never seen before. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. That will probably make a stunning highlighter. But also this Zam, oh my god. So that's what really drew me to this, and I thought, I really want to play with this and just create a really, fun look. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, guys. I'm just going to do a really quick look, and then I'll go off camera, finish my face. And so that's what we're going to do tonight, guys. So how are you guys all doing? I'm not really sure what look. Of course, these warm shades, like all the Anastasia warm shades are so gorgeous, but these actually look different. I would love to do these, but I feel like you guys, a lot of you guys have seen warm looks. So, but Edges, Ginger, and Credit, oh my god, that looks like the most stunning, everyday look. Or smoky, bronze nighttime look. These purples though, Big Wig, Supreme, oh my god. Shookington, oh my god. But I just did a purple look, but this is like a gorgeous, it looks really different because it's like a rose type of shade. So I think I'm gonna have to dip into this Supreme because it is different than your typical pink shade. It looks like it's actually, like I was saying, it looks like a more rose tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right now. Ooh, wow. And I love how Jackie was saying that she feels that these will complement so many different skin tones. So I personally, just putting this on, I've never seen a color like this before. It's like so awesome. This color pinker too, look like right next to it, looks amazing too. So I hope you guys can see. It's gorgeous. It's so unique. I've never seen a color like this before, so I love that. So what have you guys purchased lately? Have any of you guys gotten the Jeffree Star? I just ordered the Jeffree Star palette, Morphe, so that'll be here hopefully soon. I think they said it was between 5 to 7 days it would take to get here, so I can't wait. I am gonna have a giveaway I got an extra brush set, so I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm just taking a pencil brush in the same shade. Actually, guys, I'm using Supreme, so I'm not sure if I told you that, but I'm gonna have a giveaway for the Jeffree Star brush set. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna post that video soon. So I know there was so much drama with Jackie Aina and I guess Jeffree Star and all that. I could care less. I'm so sick of it personally because I just want to enjoy makeup. I'm so sick of this drama. Like, even when you buy things, I hate to say it, but as a person who loves YouTube, when you go in store and you do think about, because I watch YouTube, so I think about all the drama. And I did see quite a few videos though about this palette, and it's like, personally, I'm just shocked about that. I don't even want to talk about it, guys, but let me know if you want me to talk about it. But oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it. But I just saw people, you know, talking about this palette, and I'm like, you know what, how can people, I just don't feel good about people trying to bring other people down or anything like that. And everybody has to be, I don't understand why. This is the same shade, guys. This is the same shade. Oh my god, you guys know I get hooked on like one shade and I'm like all about that one shade. But because just look how gorgeous, it's so unique. Oh. So guys, now I'm just taking the shade Pinker, and on a fluffy brush, I'm just putting that into the lower crease area like that. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I'm literally in shock how gorgeous it is. So I'm just putting it right down there in my lower crease area, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's so different. So again, I just love that. I just love any kind of shades that are different. And then I'm just going to bring back some more of that first shade, Supreme. So I'm just going to just very gently tap it right over Pinker. And then I'm going to take some of Big Wig on a smudger brush and just smudge that right into my lower waterline. So now I'm just going to cut the crease just to really make a nice base for before we lay down one of those glitters. So I'm just going to take some of my concealer and an angled brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. So actually I'm going to go in now with Trust Issues on a very small angled brush, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of my concealer. I am going to wet this first with my beauty mist, so this just makes all of your shadows pop. So I'm just reaching into the shade Shookington, so I'm just going to take again my really small brush and just use this to transition out from Trust Issues. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. So dolls, I'm back. I put on my lashes, I put on some contour and bronzer, and I did put on a lip already, guys. I always love to do a lip with you guys, but I was kind of playing around, and so I did put on a lip. This is the Kylie Lip, and I believe it's called Kylie. Yes, this is the Kylie Lip in Kylie. And then I put on the Smashbox Nude Medium Lip Liner. So I love those Smashbox lip liners. They are so bomb. So I also picked this up tonight when I was at Ulta. I also got the Kylie Lip Gloss in Oh You Fancy. I really want to try this, guys, because last time I was in the store, everything was sold out from the Kylie collections. So tonight when I saw this, I was like, yes. So it feels so good. And of course, it does have a vanilla flavor and a huge applicator. So love this lip gloss. I had tried it last time when I was in Ulta, but like I said, everything was sold out. And so I just got to try it, and then there was no more left. They were literally sold out of everything. So let me go ahead, guys. I just want to put on a little bit of highlighter. You know, I say a little bit, but I probably mean a whole lot. So let me go ahead and spray myself with my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. And I know I spray personally a lot with my mist, but a little bit does go a long way, so you don't have to spray yourself out that much, but I'm kind of like an addict at this point. But I'm going to go ahead and just dip into this highlighter here. This is the Marvyn Macnificent palette from ABH Cosmetics. I absolutely love this palette so much. And so I just dipped in, and then I'm going to spray my highlighter. And you just always want to shake your bottle before you use it, and then go ahead and apply. So dolls, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this palette. Will you be picking it up? I really truly love it, especially those rose shades. Although I'm sure the nude tone, those warm chocolatey tone shades will be gorgeous for day or night. You know, that's like, you know, a given. But if you want to have some fun, there is a lot of fun to be had with this palette with those rose tone shades. Well, those green shades looked stunning. So there is a lot of fun to be had with this palette. And I just think the packaging is drop dead gorgeous. So actually I was wanting to try a little bit of Trust Issues also as a highlighter, but as you can see, I'm highlighted to the gods as it is. But I just wanted to because it's very creamy, and actually I think that would make a gorgeous highlighter too if you want to try that. So thanks for coming and hanging out with me today, dolls. I love you guys so much. I have a whole bunch of giveaways coming. Like I said, I am going to be giving away a Jeffree Star Morphe collection. Brush collection they came out with, so be on the lookout for that. That'll be up soon. You can purchase my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. It is linked below. It is also available on Amazon, so that's another great option if you'd like to pick it up there. So that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!